Happy Thursday, everybody, and thanks again for being with us here on KXAN News at 4. Okay, it looks like the streak may end today. So we have not had a triple-digit day since May. And Nick, you're about to burst the bubble here and maybe deliver some not so great news.
Yeah, so far we got to 99. There is the chance we stay at 99 and then start to cool back off here tonight. But usually what happens is that the temperatures that we hit in between the hourly observations are warmer.
Yeah.
So we get to say 100 or 101 even between the two hourly updates. And that's very possible here, but we haven't done it yet. So technically, it has now been 71 days since our last triple-digit day in Austin, the last one there being May 14th. And what we've been looking at here today is the amount of time that we have a triple-digit season, basically from the first triple-digit day of the year to the last. And our own meteorologist, Freddie Vela, looked at the past 5 years leading up to this year, year 6, about how long our triple-digit season has been from the first triple-digit day to the last. And you can see the general trend over the last several years has been that our triple-digit season is extending. Not always extending at the beginning and the end equally, of course, but sometimes a little later at the beginning, but then much later at the end. You get the general idea. 83 days back in 2020 between the first triple-digit day and the last, coming on September 1st. Back in 2021, it was an even longer triple-digit season from the 14th of June through the 20th of September. Then a shorter season in 2022, and then much longer seasons the last 2 years between that first and last triple-digit day, June 9th to September 24th. There was 106 days, 107 there last year between the 27th of June and October 13th, which, as my memory recalls, was one of the latest triple-digit days in Austin area history. And of course, our warming climate is resulting in the extension of the triple-digit season as our summers warm, but also our spring and fall as well. And resulting in this, our first triple-digit day of this year was even earlier than any of the last 5 leading up to it. May 13th. We don't know when the last triple-digit day of this season is going to be just yet. Technically, the last one so far was actually May 14th, so just one day. But we don't think we're done with triple digits for the year, of course, and we don't know what that difference is between the beginning and end, but we are seeing in general, especially look over the last 5 years, it's pretty easy to see the extension of that triple-digit season. But for right now, we've only had 2 triple-digit days, although that number may rise to 3 here within the next hour when we get the official word on the preliminary high for the day. By the way, on KXAN.com, you can dig into all the weather data you want to read about, if that's your sort of thing. Our digital data analyst and reporter Christopher Adams maintains this Explore 2025 Austin weather data page under the weather and traffic tab, and that has tons of weather facts about not just severe weather, but heat and drought and all sorts of that sort of thing. All right, let's take you outside now to our Lorenz and Lorenz 360 cam from Westlake Hills. A lot of blue sky today. The reason today was hotter than yesterday, where we got to 98. More sunshine, fewer morning clouds, also high pressure overhead, squeezing the atmosphere a bit more, but more compressional heating results in more heat down at the ground. And we're at 99 now in Austin. Not a lot of triple digits statewide, but you get some as you get down closer to Laredo, although we do think that we'll probably tag that 100-degree number before the day is done. It's going to be a close call, though. 75 tonight, mostly clear this evening. Low clouds come in overnight. Mid-70s has been about where a lot of our nights have been lately, although some low 70s possible in parts of the hill country to start your morning here tomorrow, but pretty routine that we'll be in those mid-70s this time of year. High temperatures tomorrow may be a degree or 2 cooler, especially in our eastern counties, because clouds will be increasing later in the day, and also the potential for a little bit of rain that would cool the air as well. Some of those clouds and areas of rain may not get into the metro until later in the day, which is why I still think we'll get up to about 99 in Austin, so not quite triple digits, but close, and then mid-90s in the hill country. So let's talk about your day tomorrow. Mix of sun and clouds, more sun in the morning, more clouds later in the day, and a few showers or storms later in the day with rain chances right now at 20%. Now, this is all coming from an area of potential tropical development that only has a 10% chance of becoming a tropical depression before the air mass, so in cluster of storms, an area of low pressure moves into Texas. So it's really running out of time to strengthen any further. But even if it doesn't, we still have this cluster of storms and rain moving over Louisiana and parts of the north and northwestern Gulf that should be arriving into Texas here later tonight and into central Texas later tomorrow. So as we take you overnight, you can see the low clouds increasing in some spots tomorrow morning. Just a few of them, and then a lot of morning sun and midday sun, and then the clouds really start to thicken up later in the day. You can see the limited coverage of rain tomorrow, focused mostly on our eastern counties, but not entirely. We think about 20% of the area see some rain up to about I-35, and then it falls apart as we get into the nighttime. Then we will try and do it again here on Saturday with some sun in the morning, giving way to scattered showers and a few thunderstorms in the afternoon, with only a slightly higher rain chance on Saturday compared to Friday. And then those rain chances drop slightly on Sunday to 20%. So still many of you will not get a whole lot of rain over the next few days, but we could get some locally heavy downpours. And then Monday, a mix of sun and clouds with a dry forecast here at this point. And then increasing sun Tuesday into Wednesday will push us back near triple digits. But we do have more clouds next Thursday. Temperatures down slightly as a result, and even a low 10% rain chance as well.